കടന്നു വരുന്നത്.
ഇപ്പോൾ തൃത്താലയിൽ MP രാജേഷിന്റെ പ്രചാരണ പരിപാടിയിൽ CPIയുടെ ദേശീയ നേതാവ് കനയ്യകുമാർ സംസാരിക്കുന്നു.
For the national political narrative also. Why I am saying this? Because we have a tradition. Many journalists, when I was coming to Kerala, they said, this time UDF will come into the power. This is the tradition of Kerala. I told them, this was tradition of Kerala. This time LDF will again come into the power. Because these coming weeks are very important for us. There will be Good Friday, Easter, and then we will celebrate Vishu. Christ has sacrificed their life for truth and justice. And when we celebrate Vishu, we celebrate the idea of light against all kind of darkness. When the country is facing right reactionary onslaught, I think Kerala will establish this fact and celebrate the idea of light against all kind of darkness of hatred. We think this election is very important. The good thing is, here in Kerala, all fights are happening within anti-BJP camp. But I am telling you, I am coming from Bengal. Earlier, this situation was there also. But now situation is different. Slowly, gradually, with right reactionary politics, BJP has established their presence in Bengal. And now situation is, everybody are accepting this fact that we need united front against all kind of right reactionary forces. That's why I want to clear cut say one thing. Those who are aligning with BJP, they don't know the danger of it. They are directly aligning with BJP, but I think those who are indirectly aligning with BJP, they are cheating with the people of Kerala, I am telling you. So we have to identify those kind of people, and there should be no confusion. There must be a clear-cut message from Kerala to entire country that still when there is darkness is growing, there will be a light, there will be a celebration of hope, there will be a celebration of love, there will be a celebration of justice, there will be a celebration of equality. That's why we appeal to all of you, and especially I want to appeal my younger friends, youth of Kerala, please try to understand the politics of hatred, what they are doing. There is a policy which is taking place everywhere, which has been trying to swallow all kind of public sector, public welfare. Everybody, all the time, they alleged us that we are against religion. No friend, we are not against religion, but we have reason to think. We have reason to think. We are not against temple, we are not against mosque, we are not against church, we are not against Gurudwara, but we are pro-education, pro-health, pro-public sector, pro-people's democracy. That's why I want to appeal all my young friends. BJP is working on the idea of privatization of profit and socialization of loss.
തൃത്താലയിൽ CPI നേതാവ് കനയ്യകുമാർ സംസാരിക്കുന്ന തത്സമയ സംപ്രേഷണമാണ് കണ്ടത്. MP രാജേഷിന്റെ പ്രചാരണ പരിപാടിയിൽ നിന്നുള്ള തത്സമയമാണ് കണ്ടത്. ഇനി കാണാം ഗ്രൗണ്ട് റിപ്പോർട്ട്.